The next point of the lesson, safety at school. So students, every day we come to school except on Sundays. So when we are at school, we need to follow some safety rules so that we and our friends remain safe. So what are the safety rules? The first is do not push anyone. So when you are playing or when you are in the classroom also, you should not push each other. What happens when you push? There is a chance that you might go and hit to the wall or to the bench or the desk and you might get injured. So it is very necessary that whenever you are in the class or in the school premises, do not push each other. Also, do not jump on the desks. Many students have this habit of playing on the benches or on the desk. They keep jumping from here to there. But during this jumping, you might get injuries. So, do not jump on the desks. Also, do not play rough games. Maybe during your playing periods or whenever you are having off periods or maybe whenever you are moving from the corridor, moving on the ground, on the playground, this time you should not push each other. You should be in a line when you are moving out, when you are getting inside the school. So you should always be in a line. Also, as I told you, do not play rough games. So when you are getting the time for your playing, when you are on the playground, just take care that you do not play any rough games or any harsh games, the games which will hurt you or your partner, your friends. So play games which are not very much rough. Do not hit with ball to your friends. Just take care of yourself and others when you are playing on the ground. The next point for discussion is safety at home. So when you are at home, you feel very much safe. But students, there are various cases in which the children, they get hurt or they have some injuries at home also. Because at home also we need to be careful. As I have told you earlier, we need to be careful at each and every place. At any time you have to be very much careful and very much alert. When you are at home, you should take care that you do not play with any sharp things like knives, scissors, blades, because these things, they can cut your skin and you can get injuries. So you should never play with such sharp things. Also, you should not touch any electrical gadgets, any electric wires, plugs, hot irons. These can give you a shock and you can get injured. So you should never touch such electric wires or any such electric gadgets on your own. The next is do not run on the staircases. So all the children, they have the habit of moving up and down on the staircase and they are very much in a hurry. So you should take care that you do not make a hurry. You do not run on the staircase. When you are moving up on the staircase or you are coming down, you have to be very calm. You have to be very slow. Keep your leg very properly and get down from the staircase. Also, do not climb on any shelves. Suppose there are various shelves in your house. They are at a height from, they are mostly the shelves, they are at a height. So suppose you want something from the shelves, just ask your elders, your mother, your father, your grandparents, your uncles and aunts. Ask them to get those things to you. You should never try to climb on the shelves or you should never climb on the windows or doors of our houses, because there are chances that you slip down and what will happen? You will get injured, you will get hurt. So it is very necessary that you never climb on any shelves, any windows or doors. Also, when you are moving on the staircase, you have to move up and get down from the staircase very much slowly. Students, the next point for discussion is safety during festivals. So in India, we celebrate various festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid. A lot of festivals are celebrated, right? So during these festivals, especially Diwali, what we do, we say that Diwali is a festival of lights and we play with various firecrackers during Diwali. So when we are playing with firecrackers, we should take care that some elder is always with us. Also, we must take the help of elders in lighting candles also. We must play Holi only with herbal colors. So Holi is a festival of colors, and during Holi festival, what do? We apply colors to our near and dear ones. So it is very necessary that we take care that the colors that we use during the Holi are herbal. The people on whom we apply the colors, they will surely not get any injury or any type of allergy from the colors that we apply them. So it is very necessary that we take care when we are celebrating various festivals. Students, this is the last point from this lesson, safety rules and first aid. So the point is first aid. What is first aid? First aid is the first help that is given to any injured person. So it is very necessary that whenever we get hurt, we should tell some elderly person. Maybe it is your parents, your grandparents, your uncle, your aunt, or when you are at school, it is very necessary that you tell your teachers about the injuries that you have got. So if it is a minor cut, the injury that you have got is very little, what should we do? We should wash it immediately with cold water, and we should not get panicked. We should stay calm, and we should not shout, or we should not be scared. So our teacher at school or the parents at home, they will help us. If we let them know about our injuries, they will help us by giving first aid. So they will give us first aid, or they take us to doctor if it is required. So taking help when hurt. Here you can see the picture. The boy is injured and his mother, she is having a first aid box with her, and she is helping her, or she is giving first aid to the boy. So students, it is very necessary that first of all we should follow all the safety rules, and after following the safety rules, by chance we get some injury or we get hurt, we should first inform our elders so that they can give us first aid. This was the lesson about safety rules and first aid.